Have you ever wondered how the IRS decides whom to audit? Taking Action reporter Jackie Calloway shares 5 triggers that might be on your tax return. Jackie?
Well, you know, there's no exact formula for avoiding an audit, but there are certain deductions and other audit triggers that may draw unwanted attention from the IRS. The IRS audits only a little more than 1% of all tax returns, which does not sound like much until you're the one who gets the letter.
I've had audits that, will spend 2-3 full days.
Enrolled agent John Bryan says one of the biggest mistakes taxpayers make is reporting overly large charitable donations without documentation.
They're beefing up the value of non-cash donations.
And that'll trigger an audit.
And that will trigger an audit.
While Schedule C is a gold mine of tax deductions for the self-employed, it's also a treasure trove for the IRS.
When you're deducting a meal, not only do you have to have a receipt, but you've got to be able to document where you went, how much you spent, who you were with.
And taxpayers who report 100% usage of their car for business could wind up with some unwanted attention from the government, especially if it's the only car they own.
On the tax return, we are checking boxes that say, do you have evidence? Yes or no.
Also, small businesses are often cash businesses, and while it may be tempting to leave off some of the earnings, keep in mind, IRS agents are trained to sniff out underreported money.
If that business is only depositing checks and credit cards and no cash, that's a red flag.
Last on the trigger list is a warning for photographers and other hobbyists who claim their pastime as a small business.
Are we running our operation like a business? Are we actually trying to make money, or is this just a way to write off personal expenses?
Now, audits can be expensive and time-consuming. Now, if you still have not filed your taxes and you need some help, there is free help available. We've got the information on our website. You can also shoot me an email if you need more, and I've posted it on my Facebook page.